another episode of Friday First Wealth series. I am Nidhi Manchanda, a certified financial planner and head of training and development at Fintu. In changing times, the actual meaning of retirement has changed and people wish to choose what works best for their nature of work, their likes and dislikes, rather than going for the age-old concept of retirement strategy that most of the people follow. Thus, in today's video, we will discuss about different types of retirement and how to plan for it. So let us start. The first type is traditional retirement. This is the age-old concept where you start earning in your 20s, work till 60 and plan for 20 to 25 years of retirement. This one-size-fits-all approach is rapidly changing, and a little twist that we see in traditional retirement is early retirement. People nowadays wish to achieve their financial freedom as early as possible and do not wish to work till 60. In fact, they wish to retire as early as in their 40s or 50s. Although the idea of extended retirement of 40 years sounds interesting, but the problem is that not everyone seems to enjoy it once they arrive at it. Once you actually retire into that life of leisure, it often becomes boring and monotonous routine and no longer enjoyable. The only solution to this problem is to opt for semi-retirement. But before we get into discussing semi-retirement, let us see what should be your investment strategy if you are opting for a traditional or early retirement. Here, you can invest your money into equity asset class and real estate. This is because your goal is long term. On the other hand, if you talk about debt asset class, you can skip it because debt is more suitable for your short term goals. Therefore, in your entire portfolio, you can have exposure to debt for your short term goals. Now, let us talk about the second type of retirement and also an alternative to traditional retirement, that is semi-retirement. Here, during retirement, the work is reduced but not eliminated completely. This might mean starting a new business, pursuing a new career, consulting or any other part-time work. Often people get bored after retirement and look for ways to keep them busy, and therefore they choose to work part-time. This helps them in both personal fulfillment and also financial assistance. A major advantage of opting for semi-retirement is that you will be able to retire earlier than the traditional retirement. This is because the required retirement corpus in this case will reduce drastically. And why would it reduce? Because the future earnings from continued part-time work actually worth a lot as a retirement asset. Let us see the investment strategy under semi-retirement. In semi-retirement, we can say there are two parts of retirement. One part where you will be working part-time as well as you have your leisure time. And one part which is completely your leisure time, which is your permanent retirement. Now when we talk about investment strategy, you can go for equity asset class for both of these times. But if we talk about debt asset class, you should totally skip it as it's not for short term. And if you talk about real estate, you can invest into real estate for your permanent retirement, but for the time where you will be doing part-time work as well. For that time period, the amount that you will require for your leisure time, you can skip the real estate investment. Moving on to the third type of retirement, that is gig retirement. It means engaging in temporary retirements, that is taking sabbatical breaks. In this approach to retirement, the act of retiring is not something that comes at the end. Instead, it comes regularly throughout the individual's life. You might have a question, whom it is suitable for? Well, it is suitable for women who plans to take a sabbatical break for marriage or during childbirth. Also, it is useful and suitable for freelancers who wish to travel and wish to take a break ranging from few months to a year. Depending upon the individual's type of work or profession, the mini retirements could be few but for longer period of time, or it could be more frequent with shorter period. Now let us see the investment strategy for gig retirement. Here in this case, for permanent retirement at the end, you can go for equity investment or real estate investment. And for mini retirement, skip real estate investment You can opt for equity asset class if your mini retirement phase is 5 years away, and for the mini retirement phases which are very near, you can opt for debt investment. Also, please note that once you are closer to withdraw your money, you should switch your investment from equity to debt. So these were the 3 types of retirement and how you can plan for it. To create your own retirement plan, you can log into our RoboFinTo, and for any further query, feel free to get in touch with our finance experts, and for more such videos, do subscribe to our channel.